Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So as we know, there's a 50 characters maximum length limitation for the fields labels in Dynamics 365. But sometimes we may need longer label. So the 50 maximum length is not enough. So how to get a longer label? So today I want to share you two options, two ways to realize to get a longer label. Okay. Next I will show you how to do that. Okay, let's try the first option. First of all, let's create two test fields. Let's say text 1 and text 2. Okay. Oh, it doesn't show here. Maybe let's try. Okay, it's here. So let's just drag the two fields into the form. Text 1, text 2. Okay, the first option is we just change the field or property. So let's double click this field and change the label directly. So, okay, for example, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10 characters, right? If we copy it and paste, this is the first 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, let's try more. Input any more. You can see no matter, okay, it cannot be input anymore. So that means the maximum length is 100 characters if we're using the first option. And that means we change the field properties. Okay, let's click OK. Okay, this is for the first option. We can get at most 100 characters for the label. Okay, now let's try option 2. We can get as long label as we want. Okay, so for this one, we will have to use the JavaScript. Firstly, let's create a new library. Firstly, so we just start from scratch. We just click new. So I have a sample code, so you can get it from this video's description. You can just copy, paste, and modify it. So here we can see like extend, we can name it extend label length and display same, maybe whatever. And the next is we just choose the type is JavaScript, and we just click the text editor so we can start from scratch. I just copy the sample code. As I said, you can get it from this video's description. So let's just change the field name. Okay, let's see the field name. The field. Okay. Okay, we try this on the second, the test 2 field. Just double click, copy the name here, and go back to the script and just replace the field name here. Then we can set the label as long as we want. For example, okay, just copy a set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10. Actually, we can paste as long as we want. Okay, let's just stop here. I think this length, it should be enough for our normal use. Okay, just click OK. Oh, same name already used. Okay, so I think we have this. Okay, maybe extendLabelLength 2, and copy this function name firstly. Click OK. Verb source. Okay. 2. Yeah, because previously I have created I've just tried before this meeting. Oh no, before this video. Okay, then let's save and publish. Okay, perfect. Let's close it and go to the form. So you can see in the form, this new JavaScript, this new library has been created and added into this form. Let's just add it. Then we need to set the event to trigger this function. So let's just click add. Then the function name is 2, right? Just remember to check this option to make sure the parameters will be input into this function. Let's click OK, then OK, save and publish. Okay, let's go back to the form. Just refresh. Okay, here it is. So you can see we can get as long as we want for the label. This is for option 2. This is option 1. So there are totally 100 characters in the label, but for the second option, yeah, no limitation. Okay, that's it. So hopefully these tips could be helpful for you. See you next time.